In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background image in Elementor. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for, so you can confidently update your site's background to match your brand or design. Let's start from your WordPress dashboard. After logging into your WordPress account, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the Elementor option in that menu. When you hover your mouse over it, you'll see a few choices appear. From those options, click on Editor. This will open up the Elementor dashboard inside WordPress, where you can work on your site's design. Once the Elementor interface loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see an option that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This takes you into the main site editor, where you can make global changes that affect the entire site, including your background image. Now that you're inside the editor, shift your attention to the top left corner. You'll notice a small icon with 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. In this drop-down, select Site Settings. Site Settings is where you control overall styles, such as typography, colors, and of course, the background. Inside Site Settings, find and click on Background. This is where you'll set or change your site's background image. You'll see an option labeled Background Type. Click on the classic icon, which is the standard option for using a solid color or an image. Once classic is selected, you'll see a button that says Choose Image. Click that. A pop-up window will appear showing your WordPress media library. Here you can either pick an existing image from your media library or upload a new one from your computer. To upload, use the Upload tab or button in that same pop-up, then select the file from your device. When you've chosen the image you want to use, make sure it's highlighted, and then click the Select button at the bottom right of the pop-up. After you've done that, you'll see your site preview update, and your new background image will appear behind your content. Take a quick moment to check that it looks good on the page and isn't stretched or cropped in a way you don't like. When you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to save your work. Look at the bottom of the left panel and click Save Changes. This step is crucial, because if you navigate away without saving, your new background won't be applied. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background image in Elementor using the site settings.